Kogi State Health Insurance Agency has commenced the enrollment of civil servants across ministries, departments, and agencies in the state with the ultimate goal of providing financial and equitable access to quality and affordable healthcare services, which will be launched by His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kogi State, Alhaji Yahaya Adoza Bello. In line with the civil service protocol, the Kogi State Head of Service, who is also the #1 civil servant in the state, Mrs. Anna Odiyo, was first to be enrolled by the agency at the conference hall of the State Secretariat Complex, Lokoja. The organized labor leaders were not also left out of the biometric enrollment exercise. The chairman of the Kogi State chapter of the Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, Comrade Gabriel Amari, was enrolled, while the chairman of the Joint Negotiating Council, Comrade Olusegun Alemeru, was also enrolled into the formal sector First Care Health Insurance Plan of the state. Speaking at the event, the state head of service, Mrs. Hannah Odiyo, applauded Governor Yahaya Adoza Bello for establishing Kogi State Health Insurance Agency and making it possible for Kogi State civil servants to be integrated into the formal sector First Care Health Insurance Plan in the state. Mrs. Odiyo further said,
and now they are aware of the numerous benefits that are available from this scheme. How caring and generous the governor has been, His Excellency Alhaji Adoza Bello, who has done the needful to, and he saw the need to key into this national program of formal sector health insurance policy and scheme. And he has gone the extra mile to make it easier for Kogi State civil servants, in that he has contributed 5% of each civil servant basic salary and paid 3 months at a go to ensure that this program starts. So they have been well enlightened, and now I expect them to show appreciation to what His Excellency has done and willingly key into it through their cooperation. And that is what I can see. The Kogi civil servants are very, very ready for this scheme.
The Executive Secretary of Kogi State Health Insurance Agency, Dr. Adekunle Aledare, thanked His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kogi State, Alhaji Yahaya Adoza Bello, for his strong political and financial commitment, as exemplified by the release of 3 months upfront contribution of the 5% counterpart contribution of each employee's basic salary for the commencement of the program. The Executive Secretary further said,
This is a milestone for us in Kogi State Health Insurance Agency, because we realize the rising cost of healthcare services in the world and even in Kogi State. So the best way to go is for all civil servants to key into this scheme, so that at least they will be protected from financial risk that is associated with paying out of pocket. I want to thank His Excellency Alhaji Bello for being committed to the cause of Kogi State Health Insurance Agency. And I will say that we have received unwavering support from His Excellency to ensure that the agency has its footing. And in the last 3 years, we've received not only political will, but political and financial commitment. The agency has not lacked anything.
The chairman of the Kogi State chapter of the Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, Comrade Gabriel Amari, was enrolled, while the chairman of the Joint Negotiating Council, Comrade Olusegun Alemeru, was also enrolled into the formal sector First Care Health Insurance Plan of the state. Some of the civil servants who expressed their gratitude towards the establishment of the formal sector plan First Care for civil servants of the Kogi State Health Insurance Agency.
My name is Salawu Oziku Umar, the Acting Director of Kogi State Fire Agency. It is a very good program. It is highly beneficial to civil servants. You know, these are things that the facilities available to federal civil servants that we have always envied. It is a young stride by His Excellency to have adopted the program for Kogi State civil servants. to thank His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello, the Executive Governor of Kogi State, that during his administration, a lot of changes is coming to Kogi State. So many beneficial organizations, government programs that Kogi State has not been participating in, has not been benefiting from. We are benefiting from all of them now. So it's a very good